Hi friends, this is Peter from Tech Analyst. Today we are going to see how to trade with support and resistance. A lot of professional traders trade with support and resistance for intraday, for positional trading, short-term trading, swing trading, which is called also demand and supply zone. But a lot of novice and retail traders also do a trade with a support and resistance, but they fail in this support and resistance. Their stop loss is been hunted very easily. So why they fail and why the professional traders are successful in this support and resistance trading, I will just explain you on that both the thing. Also, I will show you one or two example with support and resistance trading in the chart, and also I will show one example with the CPR support and resistance trading, because lot of people trade with CPR support and resistance also. So dear friends, before starting the video, I request all my dear friends, those who are new to this channel and those who are already watching my videos, please take some time to subscribe this channel. Just below this video you'll find a subscribe button, and also hit a like button if you like this video. Please do not forget to share this video to your trading friends. Let them also get benefited through this video. Now we'll start the video. Those who are not seen my support and resistance, how to draw support and resistance, please see that video before watching this, so that you will understand how to draw the support and resistance, and how to read the candlestick chart. That video also, because that video will tell you, in this video I'll going to explain you which type of candle should come on the support and resistance to initiate a trade. That is most important. The candlestick chart, you have to see that video, otherwise you will not understand this video what I'm trying to explain. To see that video, you just click on the I button, just top right corner you will find an I button. Just click that button, you will find both the video, and also you will find one more video on day trading strategy. In that I have explained how to use the CPR indicator in the chart. You have to see that video if you want to use the CPR indicator as a support and resistance. Now we'll start the video directly. This is a demand zone, this is a supply zone. Okay, here market goes up, comes down, again takes support, here goes up, again comes down. Okay, so this is a demand generating here, and here supply is generating, so market is coming down, again demand is generated, market is going up. Okay, in the chart I'll explain you in depth of this. So people normally noise traders and retail trader, what they do, when the support is been touched, immediately they place their order in this place. Okay, so market, what happens, goes up little ups and come down, and the stop loss again start going from here up. This is what happens with the most of the traders, but I will teach you how to place your stop loss, where to place your stop loss in this video with the chart and example. Okay, due to this, lot of novice and retail trader fails trading in the support and resistance. But trading with the support and resistance, you should have a knowledge of candlestick patterns. So which type of candle should come in the support and resistance, that is most important. Now we'll go to a chart directly to see an example. We'll go to Hindalco. Let me see. I will draw some support and resistance, and how accurately the support resistance works, and which types of candle pattern should occurs in the support and resistance, that I'll show you. Okay. Okay, I'll try a support here, support and resistance here. See, here there is a resistance for this. Yeah, and you can see a support in this area. You can see a support in this area. Yes, you can see a support in this area, right? Okay, you can see a support in this area also. Okay, I'll just adjust little bit, right? Yes, now we'll go to a candlestick chart with 15-minute chart for an intraday. Okay, yeah, we have come. Yes, we have come here. You can see here, this is a resistance. Okay, this is a support. We need to little adjust the support after drawing it. You have to see my support and resistance video. You'll understand after drawing the support and resistance you need to adjust little bit. Okay, the body should not cut in the support and resistance. The wick can be cut. Okay, that is the rules of drawing a support and resistance. Okay, now you can see how I trade in the support and resistance. I will tell you here. Normally the support has taken here, resistance has taken here. There should be a multiple time of rejection in this resistance, so that resistance will become very strong. Otherwise the resistance will fail. Where normal retail trader and noise trader fail here. Okay, because they see once the support has taken, resistance has taken, the next immediately they'll place a trade. That should not be there. See, here it has taken a resistance, rejected. Here it has taken a resistance. Okay, and you can see here it has taken a resistance, will go further. That's here it has taken a support, will go further. Yeah, here also it's taken a resistance, here also it's taken a resistance, here also it has taken a resistance. So you can see how many times market is getting rejected in this area. You can see here also. So this resistance is very powerful because it has taken a multiple time of rejection. Because what happens, the market goes up, buyers see that multiple times here there is a rejection, they square off their position in this point, and seller take control and bring the market down. Okay, you can see here from the market has gone up. The market, you can see in this candle, you can see the strength of the buyer. You don't see as a candlestick. Okay, lot of people see the candle as a candle, but the view of yours should not be like a candle. The view of yours should be the strength of the buyer, the strength of the seller. You should look on that view. You can see the huge green candle is the strength of the buyer. Lot of buyer are in this candle. Because of that only that candle is price is going up. Okay, once this gone and touch this resistance, you can see the buyers has reduced their strength. The buyer are not there, much buyer are not there, more buyers are not there in this candle, next candle. Okay, this strength is reduced on the buyer side. Again you can see in this candle also this strength is reduced. Again you can see in this candle also this strength is reduced. Okay, once you see this type of candle, next candle should confirm you whether you need to take in a trade or not. This is the price action trader do a trading. This is the price action method how they do a trade. Okay, once the rejection is happened, continue rejection, when the next candle has got engulfed, you can see in my candlestick pattern I have explained the engulfed candle. When you saw the engulfed candle, you need to initiate your position with a stop loss. Where should be your stop loss? See, people do immediately put the stop loss just above this. Okay, you should see the range of the stop loss. What should be your range? Okay, you can see till here the range is been built. I can show you 1 second. This is the range. You can see till here it is going up. Here it is going till there. Again here also it's gone there, but again it got rejected. So what should be your stop loss? Above this range. You should find out the range. Above this range your stop loss should be, and the target should be 1 is to 2, or next support should be your target. But it is advised to have an 1 is to 2 risk reward when your risk is here. Okay, like your risk is around 152 and your position you to taken a position 115 149, around 3 rupees, then your target should be 6 rupees. Just when the target hit for 6 rupees, you just square off your position. Okay, 1 is to 2 risk reward, you just maintain 1 is to 2 risk reward. This is where the novice trader and lot of retail trader fail, where they have to put in a stop loss. Okay, but also they fail. Why? Because they see one rejection and just taken a trade. There should be a multiple time of rejection with support and resistance, both should be there. See, here it is a resistance, but you can see here it is a support. right? These type of both support and resistance should be there in the drawn support and resistance, so that your winning accuracy will become more. So one more example I'll show you. While seeing this, I saw here also, you can see after going up and the same place again the market taken a rejection. Again the market is taken a rejection in the same place. The buyer strength was high. When they saw this, they broke this one till here, and then finally it has closed with an spinning top candle. That is, this is doji candle, you can call this is a doji candle. Okay, after closing below the resistance, the candle got engulfed. These three combination candle we call as a unique star. So you can initiate your trade here having your stop loss above this candle wick, and then you can hold till the support or 1 is to 2 risk reward. Dear friend, these types of candle may come in between. You should not look for that candle. It should come in the resistance or in the support area, support zone. Then only you should take any trade. Otherwise, you should not take any trade. You look for other stocks. Other lot of stocks are there in the market. Don't stick on the only one stock. If this stock is not given, search for another stocks which is giving these types of signal morning star, evening star candlestick patterns. Then you can initiate your trade. Dear friend, this you need to practice in your chart for a week or month before taking a trade. You just practice. If you find your accuracy is going good, well, then initiate within a small quantity and trade for a month and see what is your accuracy. If your accuracy is good, then increase another 5% of your amount for trading. Again, see for a month. If it is going well, again you need to increase gradually. Do not go immediately when you see one or two trade is going right, because two trade will be given a positive to you. When you put in a third trade, execute in a third trade with a huge quantity, if that trade goes against you, total profit will wipe up, and also your capital also will get wiped out. So do not do that mistake. Trade with only minimum quantity for a month. See your accuracy, see your return, how much you got. If it is good, then go again increase your quantity. Okay, we'll see one more example with CPR indicator now. So a lot of people trade with the CPR indicator also. So we'll see a CPR indicator. Yeah, I have opened a CPR chart here. You can see the CPR chart. See, market has taken a resistance on the CPR and coming down, and again it gone up. Whenever market is coming down, when it is taking a retracement, it is called strong negative. When support becomes a resistance, okay, keep that in mind. When support becomes a resistance, it is a strong negative. You should look for an opportunity to take in a sell trade, okay, not in a buy trade. Taking the sell trade should confirm you with the candlestick pattern. Otherwise, you should not take in a sell trade also. It may tend reversal also. So the candlestick should confirm you the trade to initiate your trade. Otherwise, do not take a trade. Okay. You can see here, after coming down, the retracement has taken here. It has taking a rejection in this point and the CPR. Again, it is taking a rejection in the CPR. Again, it is taking a rejection in the CPR here. Here you can see a long wick candle. I'll just zoom out, zoom in. You can see a long wick candle, gravestone doji. This doji formation happened here. What does this candle says, which I already explained in my candle chart video? Buyer pushed the price too high, but buyer did not have any confidence because there is a supply zone in this area. So again, seller took control on the market and bought down. When this candle is engulfed, these three candle combination is called unique star. Okay, this is a unique star candle. which has to come in the resistance, and morning star candle has to come in the support zone. Then only you need to take a trade. In between, if the candle comes, do not take any trade, do not initiate any trade. Okay, when these got confirmed, you should put your stop loss above this wick of the candle, above this resistance, and you need to initiate your trade, and your target would be the support zone or 1:2 risk reward. See how accurately the market is falling after the unique star candle which has come on the resistance zone. And please note down, dear friends, when market is in the uptrend, market is going upside, you always have to search for a buying opportunity. When market taken a retracement, and when market is in the downtrend, you always search for a sell opportunity when the candlestick confirms you to take a sell trade. Okay, so in the support and resistance, you need to look for a candle of reversal signal candle. Then only you need to take a trade. Otherwise, you should not take any trade on this. Unwanted, you will lose your money. This is how the professional trader trade in the market, and novice trader, when they'll enter immediately when the market has taken a support in the point and their target is their stop loss is been hunted. Therefore, I think you understand what I'm trying to explain you. Your stop loss also should be a zone. You need to identify the zone. What is the zone? Okay, this is the zone in this. You need to identify the zone, and then your stop loss, you need to have a stop loss on that area. Okay, without zone, the range, you should not put your stop loss. Otherwise, your stop loss will be hunted. So you should look for a stop loss which is very small stop loss. Those type of zone trading, you have to look for that opportunity. When market gives you that opportunity, then you trade. Otherwise, if you didn't get any zone is very wide, then avoid those trading, so that at least you will save your losses. This is how you need to trade in the market. So trade, do not think every day you need to execute in a trade. That is why Jesse Livermore said every day is not a trading day. Look for an opportunity like lion, tiger, cheetah. How cheetah is a fastest running animal in the world, but still it waits for its prey. It waits for its prey. When it comes near to it, it hides himself or herself. When it comes near, and then suddenly it jumps and grab the prey. That is how you need to wait for the market to give a right chance. Then you need to enter in the market. Dear friend, those who are still watching my video, please subscribe this channel. If you like this video, hit a like button, and also please do not forget to share this video so that other people also get benefited through this video. Hope you have enjoyed this video. We'll come with another video and next week. Till then, thank you. Take care of yourself.